explorers, welcome to my channel. Before I start this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Today, I'm going to be reading a book called Scaredy Squirrel at the Beach. Warning, Scaredy Squirrel insists that everyone put on number 65 sunscreen before reading this. You don't have to, it's just a joke basically. Scaredy Squirrel never goes to the beach. He'd rather vacation home alone where it's safe than risk being surrounded by the wrong crowd. A few crowds Scaredy Squirrel wouldn't want to be in the middle of. Herds of sea monsters, packs of pirates, flocks of seagulls, tribes of jellyfish, tons of falling coconuts, mobs of lobsters. So he's perfectly happy to build his very own private beach. Scaredy Squirrel's Guide to Building a Safe Beach. Paper and crayons, one stick, one inflatable pool. All you basically need is some sand, a inflatable pool, and water, of course. Okay, 1. Draw a beach. This scenery. 2. Use stick to hold upright. 3. Cover ground with sand. 4. Inflate ocean. 5. Turn on sunlight. 6. Install beach wildlife and enjoy. No germs. Tick tock, tick tock, tock, tock. It looks like a beach and it feels like a beach, but but it doesn't sound like one Scaredy Squirrel notices something missing, the soothing of the sound of the ocean. The solution: make a quick trip to the real beach and find a seashell that fits in the description below. Seashell, quality and performance chart. Germ-free, check. Shiny extractor, check. Crystal clear ocean sound, check. Red alert, shell must not, I repeat, not be occupied. But traveling to the real beach requires careful planning. First, get a passport. Second, draw a map. Beach map. Mission Operation Seashell. 7 a.m. Enter box. And wait, don't forget your passport. 7:30 a.m. Get picked up by mail truck. Verify passport. 8:42 a.m. Arrive at beach and wait until the coast is clear. Don't lose passport. 11:42 a.m. Exit box and find seashell. Hold passport. 1:49 p.m. Lucky box and wait for seashell and wait for pickup. Check passport. 6 p.m. Get delivered back to the nut tree. Put away passport. I am here. Seashell should be here. Caution. Falling coconuts have a mind of their own. They can knock you out without warning. Careful, birds of a feather flock together. Seagulls can drop by at any time. They can also poop and pee on your head. Important. Sea monsters are camera shy, so keep cameras close by. Never trust a mob of lobsters. They are a pinch of territorial and are eager to snap. Ahoy, matey! Watch for pirates! Arr! They'll make ye walk the plank. Stay away from tribes of jellyfish. You'll be stung by how sneaky they can be, but they can't go on land. But last but not least, travel light and dress accordingly. Scaredy's Beachwear. Exhibit A, protective headgear for falling coconuts. Exhibit B, protective eye patch to fool pirates. Exhibit C, protective flotation device to prevent sinking. Exhibit D, protective camera to discourage sea monsters. Exhibit E, protective compass to avoid getting lost. Exhibit I, protective French fry to distract seagulls. Exhibit H, protective oven mitts to block germs. Exhibit G, protective rubber land to tame lobsters. Exhibit F, protective footwear to shield from jellyfish. Remember, if all else fails, play dead and send SOS. The next morning is planned. Squirrel jumps into the box At 7:30 a.m., he gets picked up and they drive and drive. At 8:42, Scaredy gets dropped off and waits and waits. 11:42 a.m., a crowd appears. People were not part of the plan. Let's see, where is Scaredy Squirrel? Oh, there he is. He's like around the dog. He's like, nah. Scaredy Squirrel panics and plays dead. 30 minutes later, 1 hour later, 2 hours later. Finally, Scaredy Squirrel realizes that the perfect seashell is right under his nose. Suddenly, by friendly people, he decides to join the crowd. Surfs up. Scaredy Squirrel builds sandcastles, takes pictures, and floats around the ocean and sunbathes with the others. He forgets all about the flocks of seagulls, tribes of jellyfish, herds of sea monsters, packs of pirates, tons of fallen coconuts, and mobs of lobsters. He's glad to be part of the crowd. Back home, after a day of fun in the sun, Scaredy Squirrel is inspired to make one more important addition to his own beach. A crowd! Garden gnomes. P.S. As for Scaredy's next visit to the beach, it might be sooner than he thinks. Red alert! The seashell is occupied. So that was the end of the book. So let's begin the quiz. Can you ace this quiz? I hope I can. You can also pause the video when I go to question, read the answers that you can pick from, maybe even write it down. Then select one of them, and then if it's correct, good job. So let's start the quiz. Was Scaredy happy to be in a real beach? Beck? I think you need to put an A in that. To be in a real beach. What did Scaredy let you do? Oh, put on sunscreen. That was in the beginning of the book. It was part of the joke. What is he scared of? Jellyfish. What number did he tell you to put on? 65. Yes. Yay, 100% you correctly answered 4 out of 4. Nice work, you're a superstar. I hope you also got 4 out of 4. So, yeah. Beach map, mission Operation Seashell, 7 a.m. Enter box and wait. Don't forget passport. 7:30 a.m. Get picked up by mail truck. Verify passport. 8:42 a.m. Arrive at beach and wait until the coast is clear. Don't lose passport. 11:42 a.m. Exit box and find seashell. Hold passport. 1:49 p.m. Enter box and wait for pickup. Check passport. 6 p.m. Get delivered back to the nut tree. Put away passport. Yeah, you can pause the video and read the map if you like. Alright. And last but not least, travel light and dress accordingly. Scaredy's beachwear. This squirrel is a trained professional. Don't try this at home. Exhibit A, protective headgear for falling coconuts. Exhibit B, protective eye patch to fool pirates. Exhibit C, protective flotation device to prevent sinking. Exhibit D, protective camera to discourage sea monsters. Exhibit E, protective compass to avoid getting lost. Exhibit I, protect French fry to distract seagulls. Exhibit H, protective oven mitts to block germs. Exhibit G, protective rubber hand to tame lobsters. Exhibit F, protective footgear to shield from jellyfish. The next morning, as planned, Scaredy Squirrel jumps into a box. At 7:30 a.m., he gets picked up and they drive. At 8:42 a.m., Scaredy gets dropped off and waits and waits. 11:42 a.m., a crowd appears. People were not part of the plan. Scaredy Squirrel panics and plays dead. 30 minutes later, 1 hour later, 2 hours later, finally, Scaredy realizes that the perfect seashell is under his nose. Surrounded by friendly people, he decides to join the crowd. Surfs up. Scaredy Squirrel builds sandcastles, takes pictures, floats around in the ocean, and sunbathes with the others. He forgets all about the flocks of seagulls, tribes of jellyfish, herds of sea monsters, packs of pirates, tons of falling coconuts, and mobs of lobsters. He's glad to be part of the crowd. Back home, after a day of fun in the sun, Scaredy Squirrel's inspired to make one more important addition to its own beach. A crowd! Garden gnomes. P.S. As for Scaredy's next visit to the beach, it might be sooner than he thinks. Red alert! There's a crab in the seashell. It's a hermit crab. So that was the end of the book. I'm gonna do the quiz. Can you ace this quiz? I hope I can. You can also do this by pausing the video whenever I go to one question. Then maybe you can write the question down, even the answers. Then you can fill in a bubble and then hope you were correct. If you got everything correct, good job. So let's start the quiz. Was Scaredy happy to be in a real beach? Yes. What did Scaredy let you do? Put on sunscreen. It's like in the beginning of the book, like a little joke. What is he scared of? Jellyfish. What number did he let you put on? Like in the beginning's part of the joke. I'm gonna say 65. Correct. 100%. I correctly answered. 4 out of 4. Nice work. I'm a superstar. If you got everything correct, you're also a superstar too. Finished. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give a like, and hit the notification bell for more updates. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!